In this video, let me show you how to use the SoFi Relay financial tracking feature. Now, this is a feature within the SoFi platform that lets you track your net worth, your credit score, as well as you can track your spending as well as build your budget. Now, in order to use this Relay feature, what you need to do is within the mobile app, you'll need to head over to the Relay section that should be visible on the navigation bar. Once you tap on it, if this is your first time, you'll need to just tap on the Get Started in order to activate your tracker. Now, as I said, this feature allows you to track multiple things. So in order to do so, you need to link all of your external banks as well as investment accounts into one single dashboard. In order to link your accounts, you just need to tap on the plus icon that should be visible on the top. This way you can link all of your external accounts into one single dashboard. Once your accounts have been linked, you'd be able to track your net worth, create budgets, as well as track your spending. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to use the SoFi Relay financial tracking feature. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.